How are you guys? Welcome to the video. We've got a 2022 KTM Duke 390 on the table for dismantle today. We're just going to go through the dash and have a look at all the options for this particular one before it is dismantled. So everything is operated from the switch gear just here. We've got a nice flat screen dash up on here. So we're going to go through this particular one's only done 6,846 Ks. We're just on a kill switch at the moment, so we don't have it started. So you can see it's got a lot of information here. Let me get a good shot just there for you. So we're going to go to the set options on the side here and have a look through what we've got on this particular bike and this dash. So I'm interested to see what features we've got. We've got general info, date, odometer and battery voltage. We've got the time down the bottom left. Return back. We've got trip 1, trip 2. We've got a warning. We've got kill switch and service. So we'll go back, go down to the next option, which is motorcycle. We've got two different modes, road and supermoto, which is quite interesting. We'll go back down to settings, have a look through these settings features as well. So we've got favorites for the settings. Trip 1, you can choose all different options for your favorites to be displayed on the screen. Trip times, date, battery, fuel range. We've got quick selector 1. So if you want to get quick info, we've got general info, trip 1 or trip 2, and then quick selector 2, and then obviously we've got the same sort of options there. We'll go back, we'll go to preferences. We've got display themes, so we've got automatic or night. Night does look quite nice. We'll switch that over to automatic and have a look in a sec. Shift light, RPM 1. So we've got a two-stage shift light into day mode there. You can shift through a ton of different ranges. So we can go all the way from 5,000 to 12,000. And then RPM 2, so it's a soft shift light and then a hard shift light. And then shift light on, off. We'll go back. I'm just gonna switch that display theme. I can see why they had that on the night theme. It's quite a bit nicer on the night theme. Clock and date. So it's obviously adjustable there. Yep. Daytime running lights on, off. So they will be on the front of that headlight there. Let me just have a look. So let me flick them off and back on. Daytime running light, select, off. And then on. Interesting. We'll go back, go down to units. Distance, we can go kilometers and miles. So they've got this dash, same dash for all over the world. Here in Australia, we use kilometers. We've got liters per 100, kilometers per liter, US gallons per 100 miles, miles per US gallon, miles per liter. I don't know, it's getting a little bit confusing, miles per liter. Miles per, yeah, okay. So we've got a ton of different options in there for all over the world. Language. Tons of different options there. Service, next service due. We've got a version for the dash as well. Extra functions. I've got no extra functions listed in that dash. So that is pretty much everything available in this dash. Just thought I'd go through that with you guys. It's quite interesting. All of our parts are available on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com. You can find this one up on there very shortly. Thanks.